story of the automobile begins with early experiments in self-propelled machines. In the 1700s, inventors such as Nicholas Joseph Cugnet created steam-powered vehicles, laying the groundwork for future innovation. The true breakthrough came in the late 1800s, when Carl Benz developed the Benz patent motor wagon in 1885 to 1886, the first practical gasoline-powered automobile. Around the same time, Gottlieb Daimler and Wilhelm Maybach built advanced combustion engines that shaped early automotive engineering. By the early 20th century, the automobile transformed from a luxury item into a practical mode of transportation. Henry Ford's introduction of the Model T in 1908 and the moving assembly line in 1913 made cars affordable for everyday people. This period marked the transition from experimental machines to mass-produced vehicles that reshaped modern life. From the 1930s onward, car design and technology advanced rapidly. Features like automatic transmissions, power steering, and disc brakes made driving easier and safer. After World War II, car ownership soared, highways expanded, and global automotive culture grew from American muscle cars to efficient Japanese models. Environmental concerns in the 1970s shifted the industry toward fuel efficiency and emissions control. In the late 20th century, hybrid cars like the Toyota Prius paved the way for the next revolution: electric vehicles. Today, cars continue to evolve with electric power, autonomous driving technologies, and smart systems, marking a new era in automotive history. Entering the 21st century, the automobile underwent one of its most dramatic transformations. Computer technology became central to car design, leading to advanced safety features like electronic stability control, lane keeping assistance, and adaptive cruise control. These systems laid the foundation for semi-autonomous and fully autonomous driving technologies. At the same time, concerns about climate change pushed the industry toward cleaner energy. Electric vehicles, EVs, once niche, surged in popularity as battery technology improved. Companies like Tesla accelerated the shift with long-range EVs and over-the-air software updates, changing how cars are powered and even how they evolve after purchase. Today's automotive world is characterized by connectivity, sustainability, and automation, setting the stage for a future where cars may drive themselves and emit zero emissions. As the 2020s progress, the automobile is shifting from a human-driven machine to an intelligent mobility platform. Autonomous driving systems powered by artificial intelligence, sensors, LiDAR, radar, and high-definition mapping are steadily advancing. While fully self-driving cars are still in development, many vehicles already feature Level 2 and Level 3 automation, allowing them to steer, accelerate, and brake with limited human supervision. Alongside autonomy, the concept of mobility is transforming. Car ownership is gradually being complemented by shared mobility services such as ride-hailing and microtransport solutions. Electric vehicles continue to expand globally as governments set ambitious zero-emission targets. The future automotive ecosystem is expected to integrate renewable energy, smart city infrastructure, vehicle-to-vehicle communication, and seamless digital connect. In this new era, the car becomes not just a means of travel, but a networked, sustainable, and intelligent mobility system. The modern automotive industry faces a complex set of global challenges that shape its future direction. Climate change remains the most urgent issue, driving countries to adopt stricter emissions regulations and phase out internal combustion engine ICE vehicles. Automakers worldwide are investing heavily in electric platforms, battery recycling, and renewable energy integration to meet these new standards. Economic shifts and geopolitical tensions also impact automotive production. Supply chain disruptions, most notably the semiconductor shortage of the early 2020 segundos, expose vulnerabilities in global manufacturing. As a result, companies are rethinking their supply networks, increasing local production, and diversifying component sourcing. At the same time, consumers' expectations are evolving. People demand smarter, safer, and more personalized vehicles. Software has become just as important as hardware, pushing manufacturers to adopt new business models centered around digital services, over-the-air updates, and subscription features. These challenges and transformations are redefining what a car company is, blending manufacturing with technology, sustainability, and global strategy. As the automotive world moves deeper into the 21st century, sustainability becomes a central pillar of innovation. Automakers are investing in cleaner production processes, carbon-neutral factories, and renewable energy sources to reduce the environmental impact of manufacturing. Materials like recycled plastics, plant-based composites, and lightweight alloys are increasingly used to improve efficiency and reduce waste. Battery technology continues to evolve rapidly, with solid-state batteries, faster charging, and longer life cycles on the horizon. These breakthroughs promise safer, lighter, and more affordable electric vehicles. Hydrogen fuel cell vehicles are also developing as a complementary solution for heavy transport and long-distance travel. Beyond energy cars are being reimagined as digital ecosystems, cloud-connected, infotainment, real-time diagnostics, and personalized driving profiles blur the line between vehicles and computers. As sensors improve and artificial intelligence becomes more sophisticated, the foundation for fully autonomous transport strengthens. The industry's future will be shaped by how effectively technology, infrastructure, and sustainability merge. From smart cities to renewable mobility networks, the next era of automotive history will focus on creating a cleaner, safer, and more intelligent transportation environment for a global population. The automobile is no longer an isolated machine. It is becoming a fully connected node within a larger digital ecosystem. Modern vehicles communicate with devices, networks, and even other vehicles to enhance safety, efficiency, and user experience. This shift marks the rise of vehicle-to-everything V2X technology, where cars exchange information with traffic lights, road sensors, and cloud-based platforms. Smart cities play a key role in this evolution. Intelligent traffic systems can optimize signal timing to reduce congestion, while integrated charging networks support electric vehicle growth. High-speed 5G networks allow real-time communication, enabling features like predictive traffic routing, automated emergency braking based on remote data, and coordinated movement between autonomous vehicles for drivers and passengers. Connectivity brings new forms of convenience and personalization. Smart assistants, seamless smartphone integration, and continuous software updates that enhance performance over time. The car becomes not just a mode of transport, but an extension of the digital lifestyle, adaptive and constantly connected. As infrastructure evolves to match these innovations, the boundary between vehicle and environment blurs, creating a unified, intelligent mobility ecosystem that transforms the way societies move. Transportation is undergoing a major cultural and economic transformation as societies move away from traditional car ownership toward shared and on-demand mobility services. This shift is driven by urbanization, rising ownership costs, environmental concerns, and the growing appeal of flexible transportation options. Ride-hailing platforms, car-sharing programs, and micromobility services such as e-scooters and e-bikes have reshaped how people navigate cities. Instead of owning a vehicle, many users now prefer pay-per-use mobility that adapts to their daily needs. This trend is especially strong among younger generations who value accessibility, sustainability, and convenience over private ownership. For automakers, this transformation represents both a challenge and an opportunity. Traditional sales models are being reimagined as companies explore subscription-based services, fleet partnerships, and purpose-built vehicles designed specifically for shared use. Autonomous vehicles are expected to accelerate this shift even further, enabling fleets of self-driving taxis that could dramatically reduce traffic, emissions, and the cost of mobility. Shared and on-demand mobility signals a broader rethinking of transportation as a service rather than a possession one, where efficiency, sustainability, and accessibility shape the future of how people move.